Mastering commas in titles and degrees, a guide to clarity. Hello, learners. Welcome to our new lesson, Mastering Commas in Titles and Degrees. Today, we are going to focus on a very specific, but important part of English punctuation, using commas in titles and degrees. You may think this is a small detail, but getting it right can make your written English much more polished and professional. Remember, the devil is often in the details. Commas are often used in titles to separate different elements and to clarify the meaning. They're typically used in formal titles or when addressing someone directly. Let's look at an example. Example: Thank you for your help, Dr. Smith. In the example above, the comma is used to clearly separate the address from the rest of the sentence, indicating that the statement is directed at Dr. Smith. However, when the title is part of the narrative and not used in direct address, we don't need a comma. Example: Dr. Smith helped me understand the concept better. Here, Dr. Smith is part of the sentence structure, and thus we do not use a comma to separate it from the rest of the sentence. Degrees following a person's name are also often separated by commas. This includes educational degrees or professional designations. For instance, example: Stephen Johnson, Ph.D., presented the seminar. In the example, Ph.D. is an educational degree that follows Stephen's name, so it is separated by commas. Also, if there's additional information after the degree, it's also separated by a comma, like in the example above. Stephen Johnson, Ph.D., presented the seminar. It's worth noting that in casual contexts, it's common to see the rules relaxed, and commas might be left out. But for formal writing, it's best to stick to the rules. And that's it. It might seem a little tricky at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of using commas with titles and degrees. Remember, correct punctuation is a sign of clear thinking and good communication. Keep practicing and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching this lesson, and happy learning!